The essence of a home is both very, very rooted in reality as well as changing with the needs of the times. More outdoor space in the house, having a garden or a terrace or a balcony in the house so that you can really both have an indoor and an outdoor experience. All those elements come together to really create what are homes fit for the 21st century.
If I come to the South Central market, which you mentioned, it's one of the finest markets from a gated community perspective in a city like Mumbai. So from an accessibility perspective, whether it is the arterial roads in the east and the western suburbs or the rail network, it kind of made it extremely important.
The whole idea of integrated living, integrated developments, integrated societies is hugely important. The south of the city has been the epicenter of everything because this was the place where everything best possible was available. So actually, in our opinion, the pandemic is a great boon for South Central Mumbai because everything which made it attractive is still there.
I would definitely look at adaptability, possibilities of change. I would love to have an extra 200 square feet in this apartment where I could multifunction with. And open spaces, things from within your environment, the overall space planning. So from terraces, balconies, to courtyards, to having large gardens and parks within your environment is so important today. Nature is not something you visit, it is your home. You can't be saying, I want to go in a green space. I want to say I live in a green space. I would want a small deck or a small terrace. So I would look at that. Amenities have become very important for human life now because homes that are sustainable, projects that are sustainable, that are green. I've seen this amazing property by Abhishek Loda's park that has these row houses.
So we put together a team from the finest hospitality brands in the country, the Taj, the Oberois, the ITCs. And they are the ones who now manage all our developments, right from the very top at Lodha Altamount, our Lodha Luxury Collection, to our premium projects like Park and New Cuff Parade and so on.
And post-COVID, I think just the necessity of having a home is also significantly kind of gone up.
And perhaps wanting to do ready-to-move in inventory. That they want to sort of go in today. So I think luxury does sell now that I have understood it. Perhaps once it is ready and people can touch and feel and experience that.
During this pandemic, most of us would have realized you can't go and live inside your mutual fund or your SIP. Your home is not comparable to those.
Contrary to what we had thought during the lockdown, that there is going to be very little demand, very little positivity, we're just surprised that the interest rates, home loan interest rates, are the lowest in 14 years.
Developers have started offering attractive payment plans. What we have also seen in the stock markets in the last few months is there's so much of volatility, which you don't see in the real estate markets. That's something which buyers need to keep in mind.
Real estate is not a short-term investment.
And I think when you buy a home, I have a rule of 5. I have friends who are home buyers and I tell them, look at 5 things and each matter 20% to sum up to 100%. Point number 1 is 20% value for quality of life or lifestyle. 20% value for what it does to your family or your kids' ecosystem from a community perspective. Are they playing with the right kids? Are they getting exposure to many different things? Yes, no, whatever. 20% exposure is to safety and security. 20% relevance is to accessibility. How can you get in and out to wherever you want to be? And 20% is the price. If the first 4 are right, you actually want to be buying real estate, which is going to appreciate in prices and therefore buy real estate which is well located, well catered for.
One needs to always look at a longer term perspective. Second is look for projects which are completed or nearing completion.
Any consumer who doesn't have a financial, business or job stability issue should definitely evaluate it as an investment in such times.
When you're buying a home, look at their joy, their excitement, their happiness. Think that what is the value you place on this joy, excitement, happiness, comfort.